Hello dear students, hope you all are fitting fine. Yes students, today we are going to discuss next half of chapter number 2, regular and irregular verbs. Students, I hope that all of you have completed worksheet 1 to 3. Now students, let's start with the worksheet number 4 and learn how to form negatives. So students, let's read it first of all. Read the following extract from Cinderella's diary. I tried to convince them, but they didn't agree. I wanted to go to the party, but my mother didn't want me to go. Now students, remember to form a negative sentence in the past tense. We use did not. Okay, we use did not to form a negative sentence in the past with the base form of the verb. Remember, with the base form of the verb we use did not to form a negative sentence in the past tense. Now students, given below are some incorrect statements about Cinderella. Now correct the statements. The first one has been done for you. Yes students, first one is given to us. Cinderella's stepmother loved her. Love is base verb and loved it's past form. Love is base form and loved is past form. Now students, to form a negative sentence in the past tense we use did not with the base form, like did not plus love. Like this students, we can change. So students, whenever we want to make it a negative sentence, okay, then students we use did not. Okay, to form negative in the past tense we use did not. Now students, it's given here. Cinderella's stepmother did not, verb की first form क्या है बेटा? Love. So we can write down here love. Did not love her. In this way students, we can change these type of sentences. Okay, Cinderella's stepmother loved her. We can change like this. Cinderella's stepmother did not love her. Then next one students, Cinderella's stepsister worked hard. Cinderella's stepsisters did not work hard. Did not work. Okay, worked की जगह पे हम क्या write कर देंगे? Work. Okay, and before that students we use did not work hard. For next sentence students, Cinderella enjoyed herself in the company of her sisters. No students, Cinderella did not enjoy. Did not plus verb की first form or we can say base form of the verb. Okay, Cinderella did not enjoy herself in the company of her stepsisters. The stepsisters cared for Cinderella. No students, the stepsister did not care for Cinderella. The next one, Cinderella lived in a big house. No, Cinderella did not live in a big house. Yes, next one, Cinderella's stepmother allowed her to go to the party. Yes students, how can we write? Cinderella's stepmother did not allow her to go to the party. Then Cinderella's stepmother helped her get ready for the party. You can write down like this. Cinderella's stepmother did not help her get ready for the party. And next one, the king visited Cinderella's house himself to give an invitation card. No students, the king didn't visit Cinderella's house himself to give an invitation card. In this way students, we can frame different sentences. Okay, remember students, we use did not with the base form of the verb whenever we want to make negative sentence in the past tense. And students, remember that all the sentences that we have written using did not are negative sentences. Okay, these all are negative sentences. And students, we do not use ed. Okay, we do not use ed with regular verbs while using did. बेटे जब आप did लगा रहे हो तो उसके साथ अगर आप regular verb लगा रहे हो like did Cinderella did not want to go to the party is correct. लेकिन अगर आप बेटा यहाँ write करते हो Cinderella did not wanted to go to the party, then it is wrong. ठीक है students? तो how can we write? Cinderella wanted to go to the party, it's correct. But students, if we use Cinderella did not wanted to go to the party, it's incorrect. So how can we write? Cinderella did not want to go to the party. Like this, students, we can complete this worksheet. Cinderella could not go to the party because of some reasons. Here, students, look at this blurb carefully and find out the reason why she couldn't go to the party. I can't go to the party. I don't have good clothes. Students, we can write down she did not have good clothes. Then second one, I don't have shoes. We can write down she did not have shoes. Then she did not have any carriage. She did not have any friend to accompany her. Okay, like this, students, frame negative sentences in the past tense. Okay, take clues from this blurb and then students try to write down sentences. Okay, negative sentence here you have to frame and use did not with the base form of the verb. Now students, let's move on to the next worksheet. Worksheet number 5. While the dance party was going on in the palace, a precious necklace was stolen from the Royal Museum. You will read the details of the theft later in the unit. The police interrogated some servants in this regard and complete the following interrogation with the help of the notes given below. Here students, some notes are given. Take help from these notes and then students try to write down the answer. Police, can you recollect the things you did yesterday? Certainly, I can. I cooked food at 2 p.m. and then swept the room. Then at 4 p.m. I changed curtains and while doing so noticed a stranger. Here students, the servant's schedule is given. According to this schedule, students, we can write down the answer. Okay. Now students, next one. What did you do when you noticed the stranger? Then we can write down, I approached him and inquired about him. He told me that he stayed in the guest room adjacent to the Royal Museum. Satisfied, I returned to the kitchen and at 5 p.m. cleaned the floor. Then I stopped the dog from going into the party hall. I finished my work at 7 p.m., applied an ointment on my forehead and went to sleep. Can you give us that stranger's physical description? And servant replied, yes, I think I can. Police, very well then. We will record your statement and thanks for your cooperation. Like this, students, we can complete this worksheet. Here, students, take help from the servant schedule. Okay, take help from here and then students try to write down the answer and complete worksheet number 5. And students, remember that all the words which you have filled in the blanks are regular verbs, or we can say weak verbs, because students, they all end in D, ED or T. Okay, they all end in D, ED or T in their past form. So students, these all are regular verbs, or we can say weak verbs. Now students, have you noticed that their spelling patterns are different? Stay, S-T-A-Y, stay means here state. Then apply, you can write down applied, A-P-P-L-I-E-D. Here change, then we can write down change in past form. Stop, we can write down stopped, S-T-O-P-P-E-T. Here students, their spelling patterns are different. Now students, here one worksheet is given to you, worksheet number 6. Students, read this table very carefully and try to understand. Okay, try to understand the various spelling patterns of regular verbs. Now students, let's move on to the worksheet number 7. Here students, while searching the guest room for clues to arrest the thief, the police found the following suspicious grid. It was of no use to them, but you can find at least 10 regular verbs in it. Here students, from this grid find out 10 regular verbs. बेटा आपको यहाँ से 10 regular verbs को find out करना है. Find the verbs and write them in the table below. बेटा one table is given below. You have to write down those verbs there, okay, with their past forms. And one has been done as an example. Here students, this grid is given. First one is, students, we can write down cry. Then students, try to find out next one, quick. Next one is add, then open, then we can write down paint. Okay, in last we can write down listen, then tie, T-I-E. Okay, then first hurry. Like this, students, try to find out 10 regular verbs. Okay, try to find out 10 regular verbs. Like here, students, it's written cry, add, open, hurry, help, live, try, divide. Okay, like this, students, we can find out different regular verbs. Now, students, what you have to do? Yes, students, first of all, some verb and past forms are given. Here, students, first of all, you have to find out verb. आपको क्या करना है बेटा? Verb find out करनी है. Try to find out regular verb, and then students write down in the column. Here, students, like cry, try, love, tie, paint, open, add. Okay, like this, students, in this box, write down regular verbs. Okay, first of all, find out from the grid, and then students write down here in this column. Then students write down past form. Write down past form here in this column. Like try, you can write down tried, T-R-I-E-D. Then love, write down past form, loved. Okay, paint, painted, help, helped, hurry, hurried, H-U-R-R-I-E-D. Like this, students, try to write down verb here and write down past form also. Okay, one has been done as an example, like cry, cried. Now, students, let's move on to the next worksheet. Learn the three forms of the following verbs. Here, students, some regular verbs are given to you. Okay, regular verbs are given. Simple past form, past participle is also given. So, students, revise these all three forms. Okay, learn it all. Okay, learn yourself. Then, students, write the simple past forms of the following verbs. Here, students, you have to write down simple past forms of the following verbs. Like earn, E-A-R-N, it's given. Here, students, we have to write down simple past forms. Okay, some verbs are given. Find out second form. We can say simple past form and write down in this column, like earn, you can write down earned. Die, died. Retire, retired. Move, moved. Start, started. Live, lived. Stab, stabbed. Hop, hopped. Check, checked. Like this, students, try to find out simple past form of these verbs and write down in this column. Now, students, I hope that all of you have understood this part well. Now, students, let's move on to the worksheet number 8. Irregular verbs, or we can say strong verbs. Now, students, read the following statements of the servant recorded by the police. While changing the curtains of the room adjacent to the Royal Museum, I saw a stranger. I got suspicious and went to him. He told me that he was a guest in the party. He wore a white frilled shirt and black trousers. He stood 6 feet tall and had a fair complexion. He wore black leather shoes. Now, students, study the encircled verbs like told, went, saw, wore, stood. Now, students, do you find any similarity in these verbs? बेटे क्या इन सभी verbs में कोई भी similarity है? Do you find any similarity in these verbs? Yes, students. All the encircled verbs, बेटे जितने भी encircled verbs हैं, are past forms. Okay, they are past forms that do not end in ed. Do not end in ed. बेटा जो भी regular verbs थी वो ed, d और t में फिनिश हो रही थी. और बेटा these are irregular verbs. ये क्या है? Irregular verbs हैं that do not end in ed. Now, students, remember the verbs that do not end in ed in their past forms are called irregular verbs. And some irregular verbs and their forms are given here. For example, see, saw, seen, go, went, gone, tell, told, told, stand, stood, stood, wear, wore, worn. Like this students, these all are irregular verbs. बेटा जिनको जो है हम जिनकी past form करते हैं और ये ED में finish नहीं होती हैं, end नहीं होती हैं, these are called irregular verbs. Now students, these all verbs or we can say irregular verbs का बेटा कोई भी जो है rule नहीं है. There is actually no rule for framing the past tense of irregular verbs. Okay, there is no rule for framing the past tense of irregular verb. So students, please memorize them. Okay, please learn it. Students, one worksheet is given to you. Next page. Go through it carefully and students learn all these verbs. Now students, let's move on to the worksheet number 9. Given here are some pictures. Look at them and complete the statements using appropriate words from the box given below. Some verbs may be used more than once. The first one has been done for you. Here students, help box is given to you. Okay, help box आपको given है. From this help box students, find out proper verbs, जो suitable verbs है students. According to the picture you can see, find out those verbs and then students complete these sentences. For example, first one is given here. She consulted the book to plan her holidays. Then she forgot Anu's phone number. Next one. She fell off the stairs and hurt her knee. Then students, the cat slept quietly. The bull ran fast to save itself from the hunters. Then she cut her hair very short. She cut her hair very short. Then he drove so fast that she got scared. Then next one, the waiter gave the menu to the customer. He threw a party and invited her. He gave him the keys of the car. Like this students, we can complete this worksheet. Now students, let's move on to the worksheet number 10. Nikki had a bad day. Look at the pictures and write what happened to her. You may take the help of the verbs given in the help box. The first one has been done for you. Here students, help box is given to us. Like some verbs are given. Enter, meet, fall, burn, fall, break. Now students, let's complete the sentences. While cooking, she burnt her hand. Okay, while cooking, she burnt her hand. While driving, she met with an accident. While reading, she fell asleep. While playing, she fell down. Like this, students, we can complete different sentences. So students, first of all, look at the pictures. Okay, look at the pictures carefully. And then students, write what happened to Nikki. You can take help from the help box also. Okay, students. Now, students, I hope that all of you have understood this part well. Now students, complete worksheet 4 to 10 in your practice book. That's all for today students. Thanks and have a nice day.